한 아세안 열차가 앞으로 우리 한 아세안의 미래 30년의 평화와 번영을 위해서 힘찬 출발을 기약하고요.
On the successful launch, ASEAN-Korea Train, I wish everyone safe, pleasant, and memorable trip.
To start the train journey and the meaningful events in the beautiful cities of Korea.
창립 10주년이 넘어
Welcome to Busan, Korea's second most populous city.
동북아 문주와 비즈니스의 컵으로 발돋움할 수 있는 최적의 조건을 갖추고 있다고 볼 수 있겠죠.
My name is Atika and I'm from Brunei. I love this event, so it's amazing. It's a slow train, so I can actually see the views. Inside the train was like a lot of performances, Southeast Asian performances. I'm very optimistic about ASEAN and Korea relationship. I realized that recently there's a lot of interest, Korean interest in ASEAN countries, and ASEAN have always been interested in Korea. I think it can go forward not just for 30 years, it's probably more than 50 years from now.
My name is Sha Shinn Thant. I'm from Myanmar. Yes, that is a traditional dress from Myanmar, yes.
Okay.
I'm always dresses in Myanmar tradition. Always, every day. As on train, I feel so familiar and warming with the ASEAN country and Korea. It's a great, yes. Thank you for joining the ASEAN-Korean Train program. And I hope ASEAN and Korea become more familiar and more grateful, successful in the future.